Hey everyone, my name is Chris Wenstrom with HMY Yachts, and welcome aboard La Dolce Vita, a 2008 Sea Ray 47 Sedan Bridge. Come take a look. The 47 Sedan Bridge is the perfect boat for those looking to transition into the motor yacht cruising market. Equipped with 2 staterooms and 2 heads, a fully enclosed climate-controlled Flybridge, this is the ideal boat for the cruising couple and those looking to take some longer trips away. Here on the swim platform, we can see that the tender is mounted on a Freedom lift, and what that allows is to maximize your transom space for those who enjoy diving, water sports, or even a place to sit back here and relax in the sun. One of the unique design features on board the 47 Sedan Bridge is the fact that your galley is situated aft. And with the door being able to open and window open, really does blend this inside and outside transition feel from the salon. Here to port, you do have a 2-burner cooktop alongside your sink, plenty of storage throughout, and to starboard, refrigerator, freezer, and microwave. And what this really does with this aft galley configuration is maximizes your interior living space. So you have a beautiful wraparound seat to port with a high-low table and a love seat to starboard, wrapped in natural light by all of these beautiful windows here in the main salon. The lower accommodations on board the 47 Sedan Bridge give you a 2-2 configuration with a full beam master stateroom, a queen-size island berth, both staterooms accompanied by an ensuite head, giving you all the accommodations that you need to be able to stay comfortably on board overnight or for a long weekend. The helm station on board the Flybridge is situated as far aft as they could push it to allow you to maximize the amount of living space here on the forward portion. So with forward and aft facing seats accompanied by a table in the center allows you to have a beautiful dinette here on top with panoramic views. And the nice thing is that all of this Flybridge enclosure, this isinglass, was replaced 2 years ago. So you can see it's in beautiful shape and allows you to open up sections to allow some natural breeze to move through here. You do also have a refrigerator and grill accompanied by your sink. And twin captain's chairs, a full situation of Garmin electronics, giving you everything you need to operate safely and entertain up here on the Flybridge. Another benefit to having the helm pushed so far back is that when you're in docking situations, it allows you to face backwards and see the aft end of the boat as you're making your way into the dock. Thank you for joining us aboard La Dolce Vita. Again, my name is Chris Wenstrom with HMY Yachts. If you have any questions or would like to schedule your private tour to see this 47 Sedan Bridge, feel free to reach out to me directly. Thank you.